Carmen Dell'orefice is one of the most famous and most enduring models in the fashion industry. Born on June 3, 1931 in New York City, Carmen began her modeling career at the age of 13, and throughout her more than 70 years in the industry, she has maintained her position as a fashion icon. With her beautiful face and striking blue eyes, Carmen quickly became one of the top models of the 1940s and 1950s. She is a model for many famous fashion houses such as Christian Dior and Salvador Dalí. The dramatic movement in the fashion industry has not dimmed Carmen's appeal. Even over time, she became a symbol of ageless charm and style. Carmen Dell'orefice is not only famous in the modeling industry, but is also a multi-talented artist. She has appeared in many paintings and artworks by famous artists such as Andy Warhol. In addition, she also participates in many projects in the acting field. Even though time has passed, Carmen still maintains her youthful appearance and chic style. She is a living icon who proves that charm has no age limit. Carmen Dell'orefice's patience, talent, and grace are a constant source of inspiration for a whole new generation of models and fashion lovers around the world. In this video, we invite you to join us in learning the secret to keeping her young forever. Carmen Dell'orefice's ageless beauty is often thanks to her diligent skincare routine. She prioritizes skincare to maintain a youthful look. Her skincare routine includes: cleanse regularly. Carmen washes her face twice a day in the morning and at night, using a gentle cleanser suited to her skin type. This helps remove impurities and keeps her skin fresh. Hydration is key. To keep skin moisturized and soft, Carmen applies a hydrating serum or facial oil, followed by a moisturizer. This helps lock in moisture and maintain healthy skin. Sun protection. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is an important step in Carmen's skincare routine. She applies broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF before going out, even on cloudy days. This helps prevent sun damage and premature aging. Exfoliate regularly. Carmen exfoliates her skin once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This can be done using a gentle physical exfoliant or a chemical exfoliant, such as AHA or BHA. Eye care. To keep the delicate skin around the eyes looking youthful, Carmen uses an eye cream to hydrate and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Carmen Dell'orefice diet habits. Carmen believes that maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is key to her overall health and youthful appearance. Her diet includes whole foods. Carmen focuses on consuming a variety of whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These provide essential nutrients to her body and support overall health. Antioxidant-rich foods. Carmen incorporates antioxidant-rich foods into her diet, such as berries, leafy greens, and other colorful fruits and vegetables. These foods help fight oxidative stress and protect her cells from damage. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important for Carmen's overall health and skin. She makes sure to drink enough water throughout the day to maintain moisture and promote healthy skin. Carmen Dell'orefice's daily exercise routine. Exercise plays an important role in Carmen's daily routine. She believes that staying active helps maintain both physical and mental health. Her workout schedule includes cardiovascular exercise. Carmen participates in regular cardiovascular activities, such as walking, swimming, or cycling. These exercises help improve her cardiovascular health, stamina, and overall fitness. Strength training. Carmen incorporates strength training exercises into her routine to maintain muscle tone and strength. This may include using resistance bands, weights, or bodyweight exercises. Flexibility and balance. To increase flexibility and balance, Carmen practices yoga or Pilates. These exercises help improve posture, mobility, and overall body alignment. Carmen Dell'orefice breathing exercises. Carmen recognizes the importance of deep breathing exercises in promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and maintaining overall health. She incorporates breathing exercises into her daily routine to find moments of calm and clarity. One simple breathing exercise she practices is deep diaphragmatic breathing, in which she focuses on inhaling deeply through her nose, sucking in her belly, and exhaling completely through her mouth, releasing tension and bringing a sense of peace. Carmen Dell'orefice's perspective on a good love life. Carmen believes that maintaining a healthy and fulfilling love life is an essential part of overall happiness and well-being. She emphasizes the importance of open communication, mutual respect, and understanding in a relationship. Carmen sees a good love life as a partnership built on trust, support, and shared values. She encourages nurturing emotional connection, maintaining intimacy, and embracing the joy that love brings. Carmen believes that a loving and fulfilling relationship contributes to a positive outlook on life and enhances one's overall quality of life. Please see some more pictures of this 92-year-old woman. Don't forget to share this video with everyone to help them have more motivation for a healthy life.